Welcome to our guide on how to mute notifications from users with unverified phone numbers on Twitter using your PC. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open Twitter on your PC and log into your account. Step 2. On the left side of the page, click on the Notifications tab to access your notifications settings. Step 3. Locate and click on the settings icon, typically represented by a gear or 3 dots, to open the settings menu. Step 4. Within the settings menu, click on Filters, then select Muted Notifications to customize your notification preferences. Step 5. In the Muted Notifications section, check the box next to Who haven't confirmed their phone number to mute notifications from users who have not verified their phone numbers. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your notifications on Twitter by muting notifications from users with unverified phone numbers, ensuring a more personalized and focused notification experience. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to mute notifications from users with unverified phone numbers on Twitter using your PC. Enjoy a more organized and tailored Twitter notification experience.